Good morning, my dear children. So today we are going to see chapter 8 from civics. Okay, so that is about rural livelihoods. Okay, so it is about the people living in village, what they are doing for their survival, for the income, what type of work, what kind of works they are doing. Okay, that we are going to see for a living, for getting enough food, for income, what kind of work they are doing, that we are going to see in today's first part we are going to see about rural livelihoods, that means in village. In second part we are going to see about urban livelihoods, that is about city. Okay, so first when we hear rural livelihood, that means kind of jobs or work done in rural areas. Immediately what will strike your mind? Agriculture, right? So agriculture, fishing, like this many kinds of work or many variety of works and jobs are in rural areas. We are going to see many types of works. Okay, so that is very easy lesson, and it's like you know already all the kinds of jobs, right? So now just we are going to see what are the kinds of jobs in rural and what are the kinds of jobs in urban areas. What is the difference in that we are going to see in today's video. Okay children, so are you all ready? Very good my dear children. So let's start. So before that, take your rough note and pen and take all hints and important notes. So that will help you a lot in studying. Okay. So let's start. So first, so now we are just imagine that you are in a village. Where you are now? You are in a village. Imagine that you are in a village now. Now we are going to see what kinds of jobs, what are the variety of jobs, works they are doing there. First we will see about non-farm work. That farm means agriculture later, right? Now we are going to see non-farm, other than agriculture, what kind of work they are doing. Like making basket, utensils, vessels, pot, bricks, bullock carts. Okay, so these are the things they are doing in the work they are doing there. Then people provide services such as blacksmith, nurses, teachers, washerman, weavers, those who are making good clothes, barbers, those who are cutting hair, cycle repair mechanics. So these all you can find in village, right? Also you can find some shopkeepers and traders. Main street looks like a bazaar, like a market. Okay, find a variety of small shops such as tea shop, grocery shop. That means we'll find all kind of things needed for our kitchen, like rice, then like chili, then like turmeric, like this many things we'll find there. Then barber shop, you know, hair cutting. Then after the cloth shop, we'll buy dress from there. Tailor shop, and to fertilizer and seed shop. That means for putting in the agricultural field we need seed, then fertilizer, then tea shop. We have variety of shops like this in village. So in village what kind of things we can see? Like now for work like making basket, vessels, pot, bricks, bullock carts. Then some services like nurses, teacher, washerman, those are washing the dress. Okay, washing the if you give the dress they will wash and give. Okay, then weavers, barber, cycle repair mechanics. Okay, then we can find many shops like tea shop, grocery shop, barber shop, cloth shop, tailor, to fertilizer, seed shop. Like this we can find variety of shops in village. Okay. Next, in some tea shops they will sell tiffins also, like idli, dosa, upma in the morning, and snacks like vadai, bonda and Mysore pak in the evening. So if you are village, you have seen village areas, right? So maximum of us are now living in a village area. We are not living in a city area. Maximum of us we are living in a village area. So we can see that some tea shop they are selling tiffins like idli, dosa, upma in the morning, and in snacks in evening like vada, bonda, Mysore bak. Okay, and a blacksmith family, they will their home serves as their workshop. Then cycle hair and repair shop. So cycle we can get from that shop for hair, and we can, if a cycle is repaired, we can get all right in that shop. Then families earn living by washing clothes. By washing clothes they will earn, and some go to the nearby town to work for construction workers or lorry drivers. So some people in village they go for construction work. Okay, like construction, you know, right? Building house or some building. Okay, in that they will go for construction work. And lorry drivers, some they will go as lorry drivers. And village is surrounded by low hills. Then paddy is the main crop grown there. Okay, and in paddy most families earn living through agriculture. Okay, they will be like based on agriculture. Some are like coconut groups around, then coconut, more coconut there, then cotton, sugarcane, plantain are also grown. And like cotton, sugarcane, and more banana tree like plantain are grown there. Then there are like many mango trees. Then poor families in rural areas, they will collect firewood, wood, then get water, and they will give it to the cattle. They do not earn any money from this activity. They do them for the household. Okay, they collect that and they will do the household. Okay, and family need to spend time doing this. They are not able to survive on the little money they earn. Most of the family, they will earn little and they cannot survive with that. Nearly 2 by 5th of all rural families are agricultural laborers. So 2 by 5th of all that people living in village are agricultural laborers. Some have small plot of land and others are like landless. Some have their own land and some don't have their land. Not able to earn money throughout the year forces many rural people to travel to long distance in search of work. So they cannot earn that much in village area. So they move to city areas to find work, travel, or for earning more. Next, on being in debt. Some farmers they don't have enough money to purchase basic things like seed, fertilizer, pesticide. So they borrow money from money lenders and they will do their agriculture. If the seed are not good quality, pest, that small insect will attack that crop, then it will become failure. And if they don't receive enough rainfall during monsoon season, then that will also become a failure. So if they are unable to pay back their loans, the family will face difficulty in paying back the loans. That means they borrowed money from the money lenders, right? So if they cannot pay it back, if they get the proper yield only, they can pay the money back to the money lender, or else they cannot pay back, right? So that will become a distress for them. They are in the debt. Okay, they cannot pay the loan back. They are in the debt. They are distressed. And sometimes some many farmers committing suicide also. They finish their life. Okay, children, some is happening in village areas for farmers. Then agricultural laborers and farmers in India. Then agricultural laborers, small farmers, or some will be like small farmers, some are like big farmers. Okay, some will be have small land and doing little amount of work and they will get little amount of money. Okay, and some are like big farmers, they earn lot. Okay, in India 80% of the farmers are small farmers. Only 20% are of big farmers. They cultivate on the most land on the village. Okay. Apart from this farming, in rural areas, they will depend upon collection from the forest, from animal husbandry, dairy produce, like from the cattle they get the yield like milk, meat, and then some more depend on fishing also. Okay, and then honey to be, then collecting mahua chendu leaves, honey, they will sell honey, then that is the important source of income. Then selling milk to the village cooperative society, taking milk to the nearby town, selling milk. Okay, then in coastal areas fishing is the main job, fishing villages, fishing is their main occupation. So like this there are variety of jobs in rural areas. Okay, then rural livelihood, then in the village areas people live, work on farms, then they non work on farms means agricultural activities, mainly in agricultural activities they will earn. Then non farm activities like weaving basket, making utensils, so like this also they will earn. Then more shops, keeping more shops like barber shop, tailor shop, cloth shop, like this also they will earn. Then like agriculture, that is the main job. Then what is the another job? Fishing. In some areas, coastal village, fishing is the main job. So like this they earn in the rural areas. So kind of earnings they have in the rural areas. Okay children, so understood what are the types of jobs, works they are doing in rural areas, village areas. Okay, okay children, now you come out of village and you are going to urban city. Now think that you are in a city. Okay, so now we are going to see in city what are the kinds of jobs are there. Okay, a large number of people in the city work on the streets. In the streets they will be working. 12% of the worker in the city were working on the street. That means in the street they will sell their things. Okay, and then some were selling the things, some where we provide the service, like if any mobile problem or bike problem, they will do the service like repairing shop. Okay, and some will have temporary shop. Okay, in the payment you can see in cities sometimes in the payment they will be keeping some temporary shop so that they can easily move to another place. If they are like police are saying like you have to dismantle, they have to go to another place, they move to the another place, it's like temporary. Okay, so they sell some things for temporarily, and if any problem they will move to the next place, like temporary shops. In the street they will keep temporary shops. Then next, then sometimes hawkers you know, right, the temporary shops, they will, that means the things they are selling, it's not permanent shop, they will move if any problem or anything, they will move to the next place. Okay, in some places like hawkers are not allowed, they will not allow to keep shops on the street because that will cause traffic and it's like many difficulties are there. So that some people they will not allow, in some places they will not allow street vendors or hawkers in that place. In some places they are allowed. Next, we are going to see in the market. So in cities maximum market will be very big, like this you can see big market, they have many kinds of vegetables there. So they sell different things there. Then business persons manage their own shop or business, not employed by anyone. Some business, maximum of the people they do business in city, they are not employed by anyone, they do their own job. And they employ a number of workers or supervisors, helpers, and in here market we can see permanent shops. Means in the market permanent shop will be there, that place will be for them. And given a license to do business by the municipal corporation. Municipal corporation will overlook everything and they give where to do the business. Okay, they decide on which day of the week market had to remain closed. So they will decide which day market have to remain closed and which day market have to be open. Okay, they will decide. In that we can find many small offices, shops. They provide service such as banks, courier office, others. Like this market we can find many shops there, like permanent shops, but they are managed by municipal corporation. In factory, in city areas we can find more factories, like laborers will be working there. Okay, labor shop. So daily wage, some will get daily wage and they will do they will like masons dig at construction site, lift load, then unhold that trucks in the market, dig pipeline and telephone cables, build road. So these are the work done in that daily wage work. Okay, daily wage they will get. What are their works? They will work as mason, then construction site, then lift load, heavy load they will carry and go. Then they dig pipeline, telephone cables, like that, build road. So for this and all they will get daily wages. Daily they will get their money. Then casual works. The most workers in the factory they are employed on casual basis. So some will be like temporary employers and some will be like permanent employers. So daily they will give wage or like salary they will be given. Okay, and they have no job security or protection also. If anything is there, they have to work for long. If any problem, they are like moved out. In office area, so in city office area, you know a lot, right? More office will be there in the city. They have a regular monthly salary. Okay, they will be working on regular monthly salary and permanent worker with the company. They expect like this job will continue for long time. Other than like factory area, they have like little, comparing to that, they have little expectation, so that they can expect for long time. Okay, permanent worker, then saving for old age they have, then part of the salary they will get to the fund with the government, then they earn interest, then maximum of holidays, like weekend where they will hit holidays, national holidays. So like that, then they will have some holidays. Okay, then medical facility for the family. So like that they will get some concessions also. So thank you children, thank you for listening very interestingly and patiently. So this is very interesting lesson, right? Just we are seeing what kind of, like our father is doing some job or mother doing some job, like that we are seeing what kind of job in or famous in rural areas and what kind of job in urban areas. Okay, maximum what they are focusing in rural and maximum what they are focusing in urban. So that's all we have seen in today's slide. So now today you have one activity that I will send in message also. So you have to write what are the jobs mainly in village area and what are the jobs mainly in city area. You have to write and you have to send to me. Okay, that is your activity for today. So thank you children. Have a nice day.